Good evening, guys. Oh, there's only Saidakbar. How are you, Saidakbar?
Yeah, good evening. Yeah, I'm fine. So about you?
I'm sorry I couldn't reply because I was sick and I'm still sick actually.
Okay.
Yeah,
Get well.
this is why I couldn't. Yeah, this is why I couldn't reply you on time. I saw your messages. I mean, I always see messages, but I will not be able to reply unless I can reply it on time, or I don't know what to reply, or I'm busy because I cannot.
Yeah, okay, that's okay.
I'm still actually sick, but because of my promise and your final exams are close, I managed to come up online. But as for today, I will try my best to
Okay, that's good.
give you samples and help you through your exams to cover up today's practical work. Okay. Don't mind my nose because I will keep doing the sound. And if you get annoyed, you can leave the classroom. So let me announce today's note to the group, and I'll be back with you in a minute.
Maybe let's wait for others.
Yeah. Okay.
Good evening, Mr. Zalpi. As I understandable, is it last lecture? Yeah?
No, this is not the last, but the one before the last, and at least one. We'll have another one by.
Good evening.
When is it? Evening. When is your last? Exam from. What is it? Graphics. Turn on your camera, by the way, so I can see you guys are actually here.
Just a second.
All of you. So we have only 3 participants, right?
I don't know.
Oh my God. So I just was talking about today's coverage, the topic that we're going to cover, and now don't mind my nose because I'm sick. I just told Said Akbar and he knows about this. Don't mind my nose because I'm still sick and I might annoy you sometimes, but I hope you would understand the situation that I am. So I see that Ismail, right? Ismail, do you have a computer with you or are you logging in from your cell phone?
I log in from my phone.
Okay, so do you have a computer with you
Yeah, of
at the
course.
moment?
Yeah.
So will you be able to practice with us?
Of course.
Great. Great to hear that.
Just a moment. I must
Let
to.
me, yes, open up my Anaconda and run fun because I didn't go to work. I didn't go to work like for a few days, so I had Anaconda scratch my Python because I never had to move times. So, okay. All right. I think we got connected. Right.
With whom? I'm here. Just a moment, please. So,
Have you done your homework, by the way?
yeah.
Yes.
How did it went? I mean, did you get the results?
Yeah, of course.
I didn't quite understand the scaling.
Midpoint.
Yeah, midpoint and scaling.
Midpoint and scaling? I don't quite get it. So midpoints is another topic, but scaling is another topic. So you didn't understand both of it, or how?
Yeah,
how?
I have problem with midpoint. I couldn't get any results.
Who is that speaking? Actually, I'm not actually watching. Is that Ismail or Anwar? Couldn't get the result.
Excuse me, why? What?
I mean, how many of you didn't get the? I mean, didn't understand the midpoint and the what was the second one?
That's me.
How many? Oh, okay, so that was you. So midpoint and the second was scaling, right?
Yeah.
What exactly was there a problem with?
I didn't get any result. So
So have you tried to follow the steps?
sorry.
Have you tried to follow the steps, or
Yeah.
were you able to manage the steps?
I also check to work teacher on from Latvia. I forgot her
What did
name.
she say? Katrina
Katrina. Yeah.
Bolochkova, huh?
That's all.
What
I only
did she
check
say?
your work.
Yeah, that
Ortus.
that code that we uploaded that was for ellipse, and she said that for midpoint we need to use another one.
Okay. I'll share with you with the midpoints as well, but I don't know why did she meant that you need to upload another one. Strange. So anyways, have we practiced, not the practice, when covered the lecture for basics of image processing before? Not the practical work, but the lecture only.
I didn't quite understand.
Did we cover previously the
Mhm.
lecture for the basics of image processing or not?
No, no,
We didn't.
no.
I think I will share with you the presentation, but I'm not really sure whether we can cover the lecture or not, because most important for you guys is to know the practical. Do you want me to cover up the lecture as well, rather than the practical? Because we have one more guys to cover up. I mean, like, do you guys need me to cover that part as well, or is it important for you to cover up with the practical works? Because I'll be covering with you guys the midpoint as well.
I
For
think
now,
the
maybe
practical.
for next time.
I think the practical work is more important.
Anyways, I will
Exactly
share and
for
I will
me.
try to, yeah, I will try to share with you the important notes for the lecture and practical work as well. So if you guys have opened up your Jupyter, then we'll start with the practical work for
Yeah,
basic.
I have opened.
So I need you all to turn on your cameras. Those who didn't turn on their cameras, I will count them as absent for the attendees. Did any all of you heard that, right? So I see that Anastasia didn't turn on her camera, then I will get her as an absent if she doesn't turn on her camera as well. Anyways, today we're gonna cover the basics of image processing. In this practical lecture, we'll learn how to read image files, convert them to arrays, read image information, size, color, mode, channel, and values, create an image histogram as well. Okay. In order to begin with, we will import the required Python packages. I'm not really sure I have installed to this computer or not, but you do. I will just type in the codes and the libraries, but I will try to run it if it works or not. But definitely you should have worked out. Okay. Maybe I'll install it later. We'll import the library numpy. Okay, as np from numpy import what was array. Okay, so we are working with the arrays here. All right, so next we're gonna import the image processing. So our library is going to be for image processing, import CV2 from PIL import image. All right, can all follow my steps? If you are not following up or trying to, I mean, if you don't understand what I'm trying to show you here, you can always stop me and ask me again. I repeat, you can always stop and ask me. All right, the next, we'll have to import the library to load or show the images. All right, I'm sorry. Import our library from matplotlib dot pyplot, right? Sorry, pyplot, not pyplit. As plt. Import our library from matplotlib. Sorry. Lit.image as mp image. Okay, matplotlib. Yes, correct. Then basics of working with the arrays and the colors. I think Sadak was supposed to know, but how about the others? Can anyone tell me how we can recall the arrays as in the colors and the data types to color them as RGB? If you remember that, guys, we have covered our what's RGB and how we can recall the colors as well. Do you guys recall how we did that? Anyways, you don't. No one cares as well. So array, we say it np dot zeros, which is we are calling for 3 colors. Okay, 100. This is height and width. So I want to divide it by 3. Okay. No, sorry, I forgot the brackets here. And then data type would be, sorry, MP 8. So what we're trying to do is here, we are creating a cell where we can separately contain 3 types of the colors and to appear on our as in results. Okay, so next, what we do that here? So we'll call up for the matplotlib notebook, and how we do that. I mean, before calling the matplotlib, we have to assign the arrays as in colors. Okay, we open up the brackets. So we leave it as it is. The 2 dots, and then we call our color. How many percent do we, the opacity? How many percent do we want to be? We want it to be 100% by the how can I call it? And then we call it for the color itself. So what color do we have? What color do you want to call for?
Red.
Why red?
I don't know. Because
Why not
FF
blue?
4 zeros.
4 zeros.
In RGB it was 25, 20, 0. Yeah, something like that. Take whatever
I
you
don't get
want.
No, I mean, like, I want you to integrate with me, guys. It's not about only me that talking to you and trying to explain everything, but I want you to
red.
integrate with me. How about the others?
It's gonna be 255.00 if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, but I do know that you can realize what you're trying to do or what you're doing, but I want the others as well to understand what we are trying to do here, not just copy and paste the code that we are coding here. I would be thrilled, guys, if you guys can speak for yourself and tell me what you're trying to do, or tell me at least, like, I don't know, what you want from me as well, because I want you to guys ask questions as well. Anyway, nobody cares again. So we have 3 reds, right? And then we call it for the image to appear on our results image. Sorry about that. And then we'll have to shape out the height and width channels. So I'm gonna print my array to shape.
You
Okay.
have typo mistake. The code here, image
Okay.
from array.
What mistake was that?
You forgot A. No, up there. Yeah.
Yeah, correct. But I did one more mistake. We'll see about that. Then we'll have to save the image, right? Then how do I do it? I will go and ask for the save, of course. And then name it as a test.png. And then I'm gonna have to print it out. Image. In my thought, I think I made a mistake, but if I try to run it, I don't get any result. But when you try to run it, you should get the results. Can you try to run it, Saidakbar, if you have access?
Mhm. No, I have same mistake.
Of course, as I told you, I did the mistake,
Mhm.
but you need to find out where did I make the mistake. Not the only you, I mean, the all of you.
Yeah.
There is one mistake that I purposely did, actually, not mistakenly, but purposely. And I know where it is. You can try to do it yourself or tell me where did I make the mistake.
Вы имеете в виду, после двоеточия должен был ставить запятой?
Где?
Там, где array, массив.
Здесь?
Не-не, наверху, там, где 3 array. 3 массива.
Здесь?
Да-да-да.
Нет.
Нет?
М.
А,
Близко, но неправильно. Come on, don't give up. It's like sometimes I feel like when I'm trying to explain or trying to say something to you guys, I feel like after the class I was like doing acting like I'm speaking like a blah 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 and goodbye goodbye and bye 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 bye. That's all. I feel like I'm doing like that, but I don't know. Try to find my mistake. Anything? Okay, I'm gonna set up a timer for you guys for like 1 minute. I think it's gonna be enough for you, right? Yeah. Okay. I just set up a timer for 1 minute. I think you will have more than 1 minute. You won't have more than 1 minute, but I just set up the timer just for in case, guys. It is actually a very easy task. Your time is up. Okay.
I see.
So
Maybe you have to redo all the shapes
why is that?
because you want to change their position. They're all going to be
No.
all the place, the arrays. There are 3 arrays in the same position.
It's not about 3 arrays at the same positions only.
Mhm.
No. So not only that, but I did a really huge mistake. Even though if 3 arrays would be in the same position, then I would get at least a result over here. Am I right?
Mhm.
3 red colors at the same position, but I'm not getting anything here. Did you guys give up?
Can I speak in Russian?
Of course.
I think I found it.
Sure.
Видите, там, где array равняется np0. Вы открыли скобку и закрыли. После этого написали d-type, да, вот типа. Надо вот этот d-type включить в скобку. И после array, запятая, и включить эту скобку.
С помощью интернета нашли или сами нашли?
Я подумал сначала то, что, как я первый раз сказал, то, что array, да, ну, запятую кучки рядов. А после сказали, типа, вы близко, я подумал, типа, вот так.
Да. Вообще-то я скобку неправильно поставил, она должна
Да, вот
была
здесь.
зайти вот сюда, потому что они все в одном, то есть вот эта функция
Одно и то
выполняет
же.
одно
Да.
выше, да. Вот.
Да, просто у меня тоже самое получилось, как я попробовал.
Мгм. Теперь можно этот попробовать. Я ран сделал, попробуйте, у вас какой этот такой, просто хочу увидеть. Module not found, потому что у меня этих нету, да? Libraries нету.
А как можно было library, библиотеку скачать?
А вы не скачали?
Вот это, то, что сейчас у вас показывает модуль,
Мгм.
не показывает модуль сейчас.
Вообще-то можно в этом тоже, в анаконде тоже установить. Сейчас, минуту. В прошлый раз мы просто устанавливали в этом же. Отдельно, по-моему, да? Сейчас, минуту.
Я в чат скину.
Да. У вас это получается или нет?
Сейчас
там-
попробую.
У меня просто по-другому оказывается.
Все, я устанавливаю
У меня тоже.
библиотеку. Я просто через гид делал.
Ого. Долго там еще? У вас получается что?
Sorry?
У вас
Да,
там что-то
этот,
получается?
сейчас
сука.
Forge делаю через Conda OpenCV. Вот что-то долгий.
Да.
У меня вот это мат пололип как бы не распознает.
Matplot там надо написать.
Да. Matplotlib.
Все, я видел за ошибку. I have a result. Hello.
Result is that.
Hmm?
Can you share the screen?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Ограничил доступ. Вот,
Now. Yeah.
видно, да?
Yeah. Yes. Да, теперь видно. Вот видите, у нас результат должен был показать так, потому что у нас не было libraries, поэтому не показал ничего. Для того, чтобы все видели результаты, у вас всегда должно быть тот library, который вы используете. Если у вас нету, то вы, конечно, не можете видеть результат. Потом, теперь попробуйте изменить координацию. Вот эти array, которые даете слева.
Ну,
Да, вот эти 100. Например, первый идет, да. Первый идет, чуть вниз спуститесь. Ладно, видите, у нее этот width, height, это как бы 100. У нас тоже стоит.
вот это?
Попробуйте второй перевести на 200. Не, вот первый и второй, который стоит. Да. Это у меня интернет или у вас интернет так было?
А что было? Алло.
Теперь попробуйте поменять цвет. 255.
100.
Да. Не первый или второй, без разницы. А любые. Да, любую
Да я
номер
понял.
можете написать, там, RGB, там, можете 1, 1, 1. Sorry.
Не, больше 255 нельзя там.
256 максимум?
Не, максимум 255.
А тогда... А? И? Ханака?
Попробуйте. Вот этот второй же есть.
Ага.
Там оно должно быть... Нет, я имею в виду не второй RGB, то есть цвет, а позиция, которую вы
Я понял.
выбираете.
Вы имеете в виду здесь?
Не, 100, 200,
Так,
200 же есть. Вот
Мгм.
эта позиция.
Да. Да, вы хотите, чтобы оно закончилось в 200, правильно? Вы должны поменять местами эти двоеточие.
Двоеточие поменять.
Да.
Вот так?
Да. То есть у вас, смотрите, вы сейчас сделали вот этот ваш, как сказать, коробку, не коробку, а square, который 200. Вы сделали как бы height, не height, а width 200. То есть у вас
Я понял.
200 сантиметров. Да, у вас 200 сантиметров. А вторую последнюю, видите, как получилось все?
Надо после 100 тоже сделать, чтобы там ровно было, скорее всего. Сейчас попробуем.
Не. Да.
Я вроде понял.
У вас градиент получился все. Нет, вообще-то правильно стояло все. Просто для того, чтобы у вас ровно все получилось, вы должны были тоже
Просто
вторую
250
на
надо
100
было поделить
поставить.
на 300. На 3. Тогда
Да.
чхарда
100,
нормально.
100, 200. То есть, да. То есть делайте вам на халин use keys халин.
Мама,
Use
кстати,
keys. Тоже можете.
я сейчас попробую. Use
Получить теперь 100, 100, 200.
Я думаю, мгм.
Ну,
Не-не-не, не так.
Ну так?
бельгийский флаг какой-то.
Мгм.
Только желтого не хватает.
Ладно, теперь более-менее видите, что у вас результат получился.
Ага.
Потом, сейчас, дайте минуту. Теперь davam edemiz. Мы получили свой результат, правильно? Теперь,
Мгм.
чтобы давайте на английском извиняюсь. Replacing the colors and values. How we can replace the colors and values? So you have already tried everything and you have tried the results and the managing the heights and width. You can do all of that. But how about if you want to use RGBs with the my internet connection is not stable. Okay, RGBs with the lighter colors. So you wanted to make it maybe a bit mixed with the gradient and so on. But for that, you will have to use it different types of the codes. But we'll get to that as well. And because of we have not enough time, I will send you over the files, and you can look in through that. All right. I'll send you the whole file. That's what I'm getting right now at the moment. Okay, and then we'll have a load an image as an array of values, convert the image to numpy arrays as well, and then we'll get some different types of the results as well. We don't have that much of the libraries at the moment, but I will send you the code itself, and then we'll see the results. All right.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, and for the moment, let's try to do this code. I will send it to the chat group, so one of you can try it out with your code. I mean the notebook. Try this out.
I cannot install this OpenCV. It's just loading.
Actually, I think I've managed to install it, but let me try to place the code and try to run it. If I get results, of course I don't get results. You will not get the result because I don't think we have enough, what they call it, libraries for this kind of stuff. But however, I will be able to show you guys result from my computer. I think. Let me try this. Run it. Still, well, I don't have an numpy as an input as a array. I don't have a S3. I don't have PIL as an image. So yeah, I don't have those all plugins. I mean the libraries, but man, I didn't prepare myself well. But anyways, I will send you the files, and you can check that out and try it for yourself how it works and how we can manage to try it out everything. All right, but
Okay.
in order to try it out for yourself, of course, you need to have libraries SV2 and image as an array. All right. I'll try to manage this lecture by Tuesday. We have next lecture by Tuesday, right? I mean, on Tuesday.
Yes, on Tuesday, I think.
Мгм.
If we have on Tuesday, then I will prepare some extra, what do you call it, libraries and the practice, and we can cover the whole thing on Tuesday as well, if we agree, of course.
Yeah, okay.
And what time?
The timing, I'm not really sure. What time is suitable for all of you guys? Evening time, noon, morning? Which one is suitable for you?
On Tuesday, yes.
I
Yes.
think we have evening free because we have final exams that day.
Evening.
Yeah.
On evening, you have final exams from the computer basics. I mean, computer graphics.
Let me check.
Really?
Yeah.
Tuesday, Wednesday.
We have algorithmization that day. We have computer graphics on Wednesday.
The next day, right?
Yeah, next day. We need to
I think I
upload.
can manage.
We need to upload all the homeworks by that time, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, I'll give you 2 files. Should I send you from here or should I send you guys from Telegram?
It will be good by Telegram, I think.
Hold on. Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dostan пришел.
Endi
Iya, muayyin.
Aynı gitti.
This is for basics for today's practical work. And I think this is practical exercise straight line. This is an ellipse. Zero. Where is the strange? And I need to send you the midpoint ellipse, right? Midpoint algorithm. Give me
Yeah.
a second. I cannot find it actually. Just a second.
OpenCV said that my Python version is 3.01 and I need 3.08.
She didn't give me midpoint drawing algorithm actually. So I was looking at somewhere else to give you a sample. Can you hear me? Okay, I got it. Let me just check. I'll just send you the code, and
Yeah.
I think it will be easier for you to understand if I send you the code, right?
Yeah. Got it.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah,
Yes,
we hear.
can-
I think you have problem with internet.
This should work actually, but yeah, this should work. Let me try to run it first before sending it.
Это у меня сейчас проблемы с интернетом или учителя?
У меня, по-моему.
Садак Бараке?
Oh,
У кого проблемы? Это у меня проблемы или...
По-моему, у меня проблема с
Ага.
интернетом. У меня. Потому что я сижу дома, не в офисе, а у меня дома этот интернет не очень работает. Окей. Как вам отправить? Через Telegram или через...
да, можно в Телеграме.
Тут просто код, не файл, а просто сам код. То есть вы можете это попробовать. То есть это чуть по-другому, но если это не будет работать, то я могу вам отправить тот, который будет работать. То есть сейчас, минуту. По-моему, это не то, но сейчас. Там есть два разных вида этого алгоритма. Один показывает результат, как в графике. То есть тут нужно будет просто добавить сверху результат, который NumPy и этот Matplotlib library.
Да.
Потом у вас будет выходить этот результат, как картинки, в виде картинки. А так остальное все должно работать как положено.
Окей. Сейчас глянем.
Да, я вот сейчас проверил. У меня только показывает цифры, то есть результат правильный, но без картинки. Если мы сейчас минуту попробуйте добавить library NumPy и Matplotlib, если у вас есть library. Можете скриншот сделать? Мы все посмотрели.
Не, библиотеки нету. Мне говорит ошибка. Name is not defined.
Which name?
Я сейчас группу отправляю. Я вот скопировал то, что сейчас отправили. И нет будет.
Was libraries было?
М?
Is not defined. Name. Почему was not defined говорит? Ну, у меня вот... Сейчас я вам покажу. А доклад у вас что получился?
У меня такая же ошибка. Это же, по-моему, input, нет? Name. Его, по-моему, надо убрать вообще.
А name чему равно я сказал? Yazılmaya.
Сейчас. Point circle draw. У меня вот вышло только... Сейчас демонстрацию включу. То есть картинки нету, но есть вот это.
Coordinate. Coordinate. Не, вас не слышно. А вы говорите? Hello. Hello. Chiqib ketdilar. Doston Obod chiqib beryaptilar organizator.
Hmm.
Кто-то пришел.
Что там у вас было? У меня просто интернет слетел.
Что?
Алло. Алло.
Мы вас слышим, наверное, вы не слышите нас.
Что там у нас было? У меня интернет слетел.
У нас было, мы хотели...
Вот что получилось.
Продолжайте.
Да. Алло. Да, тут надо input просто ставить. И assign делать на этот input и matplotlib. Просто здесь, по-моему, не соединено с этим, с фигуром, с результатом, который у вас стоит же. Оно просто не интегрировано. Его надо просто туда интегрировать. Сейчас, подождите, я посмотрю. Просто сделать сейчас. Я вам сразу код отправлю. Алло.
Да.
Слышите?
Да.
Да, мы слышим.
Алло. Слышите? Алло.
Да, мы слышим.
Нормально?
Да, вы слышите нас?
По-моему, у меня тут интернет не очень работает из-за того, что пользуюсь, то есть устанавливаю. Подождите. Нужно это все отменить. Блин, я вам это здесь отправляю смс, он вообще полчаса идет вам к вам. Вас слышно. По-моему, мой голос к вам поздно, чуть-чуть баровато.